निमिश पटेल। आज हम देश परदेश मैगज़ीन की फर्स्ट एनिवर्सरी पे प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं। इनके साथ आज धर्मेश भाई मेरे साथ खड़े हैं और हम आज पूरा प्रोग्राम एक सेटअप किया है जिसको गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू वाइमो में हम इसको लाइव कर रहे हैं। पूरे वर्ल्ड में आप देख सकते हो। इसके साथ हम आज नया इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं जो है गुजरात आइकॉन अवार्ड। आई हैव माई वाइस चेयरमैन एज वेल समीर रावल हियर टू एंड हम सब यहाँ पे मिल के बहुत यहाँ की कम्युनिटी के पूरे लीडर्स यहाँ पे हाज़िर है आज पूरे ट्राई स्टेट अमेरिका के। और ये जो मैगज़ीन जो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब बेस्ड एंड ऐप बेस्ड चल रहा है दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी मोर फोरकास्टिंग इन द मोर फ्यूचर। और आज जय हिंद जय भारत।
નમસ્તે. ન્યૂ જર્સીની અંદર દેશ પરદેશ મેગેઝિનના પ્રથમ એનિવર્સરી નિમિત્તે આજે રોયલ મેનરની અંદર અમે જે આ પ્રોગ્રામ કરી રહ્યા છે જેની અંદર 2019 પેન્ડેમિકની અંદર ખરેખર જે પણ વ્યક્તિઓએ કામ કર્યું છે એમને અમે ગુજરાત આઇકોન એવોર્ડથી નવાજવામાં આવશે અને ધ્વજવંદનનો પણ પ્રોગ્રામ આજે રાખ્યો છે। આપ સૌ લાઈવ પણ એને નિહાળી શકશો અને આપને સૌને વિનંતી છે કે આ પ્રોગ્રામની અંદર જે પણ એવોર્ડ મેળવી રહ્યા છે એ પર્સનલ પોતાના જાતે હેલ્પ કરીને આપણા દેશની અંદર અને અમેરિકાની અંદર આ હેલ્પ કરી છે અને એના માટે આ યોગદાન એમને આપ્યું એના માટે આ પ્રોગ્રામ અમે કરી રહ્યા છે। આભાર।
मैं समीर रावल देश परदेश मैगज़ीन का वाइस चेयरमैन हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे हम लोग जो इवेंट कर रहे हैं 1 साल ख़त्म हो रहा है हमारे देश परदेश मैगज़ीन को। अभी वो डिजिटल मैगज़ीन आ रहा है सब जगह पे और काफ़ी लोग उसको पढ़ रहे हैं। और अभी ये हम लोग गुजरात आइकन अवार्ड अनाउंस कर रहे हैं इस बार 2020 के लिए न्यू जर्सी के लिए। तो इस बार जो अवार्ड्स जा रहे हैं वो ऐसे लोगों को जा रहा है जिन्होंने कुछ भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस के बगैर लोगों की सेवा की है। और हम लोग पूरी हमारी जो ज्यूरी है वो उसको अवार्ड्स देंगे। और आज ध्वजवंदन भी है और हमारे 1 साल ख़त्म होने के ऊपर हम लोग ये इवेंट कर रहे हैं। तो मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि आप सब ये इवेंट्स देखें और देश परदेश मैगज़ीन जो भी गुजराती में है अभी उसको हम मल्टीपल लैंग्वेजेस में ला रहे हैं। तो बहुत ही शॉर्ट टाइम में हम लोग एप्लीकेशन भी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं उसका। तो आप लोग हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाइए और आप सब उसको पढ़ें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello, my name is Dr. Tushar Patel. I am here today for Desh Pardesh magazine first year anniversary. Also today is a special day. We are celebrating India's Independence Day as well as May 1st is Gujarat Din. However, due to pandemic we were not able to celebrate Gujarat Din on May 1st. So today we celebrating Gujarat Divas also. So this is a trio event, Independence Day, Desh Pardesh magazine first year anniversary as well as Gujarat Divas. So much energy in this room, a lot of people, community support, and I am so thankful for the community to get together under the leadership of Desh Pardesh magazine, Mr. Samir Rawal and Nimish Patel, who organized this entire event along with Dharmesh Patel. I am so thankful to Mana TV International for their continued support to the community as well, and happy Independence Day to all. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Hemant Bhatt and I am at the Royal Grand Manor, an excellent place here, and we are here to attend the first anniversary of Desh Pardesh, and we are here to respect the Independence Day of our country, 15th August. We are going to celebrate, we are celebrating it, and it's so much, I mean, I'm so much excited to be here with a lot of community leaders and a lot of people here. And the most important thing is we NRIs out of, I mean, we NRIs, we are out of very far up from our country and really enjoying and remembering our country, the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters and everybody. So we are here to celebrate the first anniversary of Desh Pardesh, and we are also celebrating the India's Independence Day. And thank you Mana TV and thank you Siddha Chilara ji for giving me this opportunity to speak to you once. Thank you.
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की थैंक यू
Thank you, Mana TV International and TV5 USA. Thank you for covering this Desh Pardesh event. Is the first anniversary of Desh Pardesh. We wish very all the best for organizer and the owner of Desh Pardesh. It's a really proud. We want to keep our culture alive. IBA, Indian Business Association, is always there with the right cause. Thank you. Appreciate. My name is Dhiren Amin, President of the Indian Business Association. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank Mana TV International and TV5 USA for covering such a prestigious event. This is Desh Pardesh's first anniversary, but also a big day to celebrate Gujarat Day, especially after COVID and by the pandemic that the world has faced. And it's nice to see that Desh Pardesh has given us the platform, and Mana TV and TV5 USA is there to cover it with all of our leaders, part of the Gujarati community, all of the illustrious social workers and frontline workers who have made this possible for us. So on behalf of Pandya Foundation, my name is Yash Pandya, and I'd like to thank Desh Pardesh and thank you all for being here today.
Good evening, this is Dr. Raj Pandya. Wanted to thank Mana TV International and TV5 USA for covering today's event. Also, we want to thank you guys for covering our India Day parade, Sunday, August 8th, and also gala dinner on August 9. You guys did a fantastic job, so we could not talk to you much about then, but you guys did a parade coverage very well. Today, we are all gathered here to celebrate Gujarat Day. It is 65th anniversary of Gujarat and Maharashtra and 75th India's Independence Day. So India became independence on 1947 and Gujarat and Maharashtra were one state before that, and then they became separate states from 1957. So this year is 65th anniversary for state of Gujarat and state of Maharashtra. I'm indeed a proud American Indian and proud Gujarati to be here to join this event to make sure that we recognize our Indian fellows and Indian celebrities and dignitaries who have done so well. We have our entire IBA team here, President Sri Dhiren Amin and rest of the team are all attending this event. And on behalf of IBA, on behalf of Pandya Foundation, on behalf of Indian American and being a Gujarati, I want to congratulate Mana International, TV5 USA. Thank you.
Yes, good evening. My name is Vihal Patel. I'm the Senate candidate for LD18. Towns cover East Brunswick, Edison, Helmetta, Highland Park, Metuchen, South Plainfield, and South River. I've served 24 years in the U.S. Army with 2 combat deployments. I'm currently a firefighter in Jersey City, and I'd like to continue to keep serving our community as a state senator. And
my name is Dr. Sunil H. Parikh, and today I'm representing SKN South Asian Diabetes Center and Sight Saving Academy of India COVID Task Force. Today we are celebrating the first year anniversary of Desh Pardesh magazine, અને સાથે સાથે આજે ગુજરાત ગૌરવ દિવસ પણ છે અને સાથે સાથે આજે ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડેનું બી સેલિબ્રેશન છે. સો ઓન બિહાફ ઓફ all the attendees here, I congratulate and thanks Mana TV International and TV5 to be here, and let's continue the partnership to educate the community, our community, South Asian community, about diabetes, chronic conditions, and how to prevent ourselves from COVID impact. So friends, the booster dose are coming. Make sure if you are immunocompromised, register yourself today. You can get booster dose now, and soon within a month or two, all people will be eligible for booster dose. If you are not vaccinated, you cannot make a difference. So Delta variant is very, very dangerous. 94% of all new infections are Delta variant. New Jersey, New York, tri-state area is still at risk. So please wear mask, get vaccinated, keep safe distance, and watch your children that they are being masked, and when it is eligible, they get vaccinated. Thank you, Mana TV International and TV5.
Hi, we are from Make With Me. We are a non-profit. We provide employment training to young adults with autism. They make candles with us, and all of the proceeds that we make by selling the candles are given back to give them employment training. Please support us, and we are Make With Me.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. Mana TV and Neelam Golani and my colleagues here from Make With Me and Play With Me wish you a happy Independence Day and happy Gujarat Day. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Hitesh Bhatt and this is Kim Bhatt. We are Bhatt Foundations. We are very pleased to visit today at the Desh Pardesh inauguration of one-year magazine celebrations and Global Gujarati, as well as I wanted to wish everyone back home and here in US and India, Happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank you everyone. Happy Independence Day, and Desh Pardesh having a big event here, and congratulations on their first anniversary. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thanks for Mana TV International viewers. મારું નામ શશિકાંત કામદાર છે અને આ મારી વાઈફ.
મારું નામ ચેતના કામદાર છે
અને અમે ઓલવેઝ લાઈક યુએસની અંદર હંમેશા આપણા દેશ અને ગુજરાત અને ઇન્ડિયા માટે રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરતા હોઈએ છીએ. અને થેન્ક્સ ફોર ધ દેશ પરદેશ મેગેઝિન, જેણે અમને અહીંયા ખાસ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ડેના ગુજરાત ડેના હિસાબે અમને અહીંયા બોલાવ્યા છે. એના માટે ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર અને ધન્યવાદ.
હું એટલું કહેવા માગું છું કે દેશ જેવો વેશ એમ સાંભળ્યું છે, પણ અમે પરદેશમાં રહીને પણ દેશના રંગમાં રંગાયેલા છે. અને હેપી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડે ઓલ ઓફ યુ. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.